Hello again, everyone. Dark Xenos here, and today we're going to be playing ReBuild 3. This is story mode, so we'll see what we need to do. March 3rd, 2016. Man, that was so long ago. Beginning of the end. So begins my new life in Seattle, Washington. Now for a fun day waiting for the cable guy to come connect the internet. I've got a couple of TV channels, but all they're showing is news about that crazy biting disease in Amsterdam. Sounds like they finally got it contained. Guess I'll unpack, take a shower, and enjoy some me time. The chaps. There we go. Okay, that's my hairstyle. Oh, that's a good one. Cool. We're a gang member. March 4th. Containment fell. Internet guy never came this morning. I woke up to what I thought was protesters outside. I was wrong. So very, very, very wrong. They're fighting in the street down there with their hands and teeth, just tearing into people. Saw a cop shoot a woman in the chest covered in blood. She just got up and kept fighting. Ew. Rise of the Dead. On their news, they're telling us to stay indoors, but they keep opening emergency shelters. But every time something goes wrong and it turns into another bloodbath. Infection is spreading so fast, it's in Vancouver and San Francisco now too. They've shut down the airports, but it's too late. It's too late. Ran out of ramen and soda about the time the TV cut out. It was finally quiet outside, so I took what survival gear I had and made my way out to the street. That shelter they broadcast was 10 blocks away. Made it halfway before I was attacked. Bitten, I was so stupid. I don't know why I didn't have a weapon ready. I guess. I thought I could outrun them. I mean, since they're zombies and all, they're faster than they look. While I was struggling with one of them, a soldier ran up and pulled it off me, shot it in the head. That stopped it, but it was too late. I was bitten. The soldier pulled me to a building, and we waited there while the zombies wandered outside. Then he saw my bite. He drew his gun and said he was going to make it quick. I knew what the bite meant. I had a day, maybe two, to live, but I don't want to die. I fought with him, and the gun went off. I killed him. I killed a good man who was trying to help. I killed him. Okay, there's so much reading. It's been 2 years since the outbreak. Oh, cool. I'm going to build a society with Diane. Suqualami. Also, what am I? Nah. Yeah, there we go. Town's seen better days. It's overrun by the undead. No power, no running water, no food except what we scavenge or grow ourselves. Makes sense. Drag the map to look around and scroll or pinch to zoom. I don't have a touchscreen monitor. We're safe in our 5 reclaimed buildings, but the dark ones outside are teeming with Zed. Okay. Okay. Let's just get this farm. Go recruit. And then... Okay. Oh, start mission. And then she's gonna go do that. Go. Okay. Okay, oh, let's do that. Do it. Next day. Okay. Following signs of human habitation. Knocks on the door. Her friend is indeed looking quite the worse for wear. Coughing up yellowish gray goo. Okay. Roommates. Let's take Helen. Sorry. Huh. Well, good. Okay, we need... Okay, cool. Lure scavengers. Black soldier. Are you... Yeah. You go build there. Ah. Go scavenge. Okay. Alright. So go scout. Sam. Okay, good. We just killed a bunch of zombies. Good. Is that the park? Oh, a huge park. Okay, good. Okay, we found materials, found materials, found materials. Go kill zombies. He's still building. But let's... Man, it'll take 5 days. Well, Helen can do it. Good for Helen. Hooray! Now how many more survivors can we have? What was the point of building the apartment? I guess it's not done yet, is it? No, it is. Ah. Hut. And then this one. Go, my friend. face, average happiness, okay. So people might. Okay. Hardy looking woman with her wolf dog, shotgun, and a big backpack. Well, you know what? Ah. Well, that wasn't great, I guess. Gustav. Greetings, I'm Gustav. Good for Gustav. We can attack him. That's hilarious. There you go, Sam. Oh crap. Hey, we did it. Let's see. We don't have a ton of ammunition. 65% markup. What's the crowbar do? Oh, that's pretty good scavenging. Hold it by the pointy end. We do have medicine. We're probably gonna need food. We have enough materials. Okay, well actually we don't. There's not anything really good to trade, I guess. Are you done hunting yet? Oh, you just hunt all the time. Oh. Old saw blades is a good idea. Oh, good. We killed so many. Okay, now we can have more survivors, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, go kill that zombie. Then policy, ammo use. Every bullet counts now that they aren't making them anymore. We can save a lot of ammo if our soldiers close in on zombies before they start shooting. But I, for one, feel way safer shooting those effers from the top of some building, even if I miss most of the time. Do balanced. That way. You know. Hey, Gustav. Ooh, a pig farm. We need that. What does that mean? Whoa. They can both go do that. There's a lot of zombies there. Okay, and we can reclaim this with Danny. I guess they're still busy, huh? Okay. Man. Oh good, we found food. We have no food. And only 3 bullets left. Well. Okay, go scavenge. Can we both do it? Oh good. Okay. I'm trying to. Found a cowboy hat. Okay. Yeah. Cowboy. Okay, let's reclaim this. Man. Look, we would do everyone but him so he can kill zombies. I know. Huh. I know. But I don't have any where to get food. Okay, good. Can we build a farm? Yes. Build that farm, Danny. Hi, Gustav. I know. The happiness. We're good. Look. We're only down one. Ooh. Hooray! Now how much food do we get? One! Nice! Okay. And let's reclaim this with Danny. Sam, go. Oh, that was good. Okay. Oh, you want to be a farmer? Oh, good. Okay, now. Why is it 5 instead of 6 now? Oh, because I don't have bullets. Okay, now you can go recruit them. And she is gonna go. Whew. She'll go kill zombies with Helen. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, Sophie. What are you? Soldier. Sophie. You can just go kill 2 zombies. Wow, that's a good one. Diane and Sam, you can go kill those. What is this? You know what? Build a farm, Danny. That way we can actually have food. Yay, we reclaimed a farm. Found mineral materials, killed zombies, killed zombies. Okay, Sam, let's start doing that. I guess both of them are gonna go out there. Uh-oh. Where's the danger icon? 70. Oh. Yeah, they can stay. 5 medicine and bullets. Huh. Well, we didn't have any bullets anyway. They took that building, didn't they? Yeah, hire mercenaries. Thank you, Gustav. Okay. Okay. Sophie and Danny can build the wall around that. Dark Xenos can go scout. I'm gonna move her there just so she's not in that stack. Lando truck. Okay. Built the farm. Good. Scouted. Okay, what's there? Zombies. Go kill zombies. Hooray! Good. We're getting food. It's an important part. Attack you. We have no medicine either. Okay, but now we can get this sword and trade. Okay. Yeah, check that out. Okay, cool. How much food do we get? Oh yeah, 7 per day. Whoa. Although I do just like the... Okay, but Diane... equip, here we go. So she can equip the sword. Yeah. Okay. What do we want next? Park. We'll send Sam to kill that one zombie. Okay, Gustav brought an interesting woman by today. Rather large lady. Yes. Roulette wheel. Okay. Welcome to Madame Rita's roadside roulette. I guess it would probably actually sound closer to Madame Rita's roadside roulette. Buy in. It's 10 food and you're gonna adore. Is there a cheaty thing to do here? Nope. Okay. The game must be rigged. Yeah, let's try it again. Try it again. Okay. Sorry, Rita. Okay. Okay, now we can reclaim this though with Sam. And we can reclaim this one with Helen. Yeah. And see, and that is why we keep the scary people out. Oh, good. And now we're just gonna build. We can build so many things. Here. Go build a farm. Oh. Huh. Oh, why are we? Oh, we're just killing zombies in the danger zone. Oh, I can offer you water. Hooray! Okay. We can build a city hall. They're survivors. Now that we got our food supply. There we go. This we're gonna keep as just a deer hunting spot. Maybe. We'll see how that goes. You go scout. Yeah, they came in. But they just slaughtered them all. Okay, there's actually a lot of zombies there. So she's gonna go do that. Hey, we can reclaim it. So Danny's gonna do that. Cool, we got 2 people. Okay, now how much food are we getting every day? 10. We get 10, right? Okay, good. Okay, and you are an engineer. Okay, we got another soldier. Okay, so let's actually reclaim the church. Sam, go build. I think this park we're going to turn into that. Okay, that's... Oh, hey. Go scout that. Build. We should do a city hall, but we're going to do a laboratory. Helen and Nikolai are going to do that. Okay, good. You know, let's do everyone. Yeah, sorry that the happiness isn't great, but it's needed. Kill. Go kill zombies. All 4. That's a lot of zombies. Oh, crap. I was not paying attention to that. Well, apparently we can cancel that. So with all of them there, let's just kill zombies. Hiya! Another one? Wait. Because they're... Okay, and then these ones can get killed by those two. Yeah. Hi, Gustav. Good. Lone Traveler. Hey! The lady came back and saved us. That's nice. Yeah. Uh-oh. They're coming to get you, Barbara. Not sure what the locals said have been crawling through recently, but going from the chemical smell, it's something fairly noxious. It's made the Zed volatile. So they explode. Ugh. Extra danger. That. Well, that's terrible. Okay. So, did you build that thing? I don't actually remember what we were having him do. Yeah, happiness is down again. Ugh. Okay, so we need happiness. Okay, they're gonna go kill zombies now. He... is gonna just go look for stuff. Hey, fish. That's so many zombies. Okay. Oh good, we got a church now. Churches are multi-faith spiritual centers, offering over 24 afterlives to go to when you die. Oh. That's always fun. Okay, so she's gonna go kill that zombie, and then they can... We found a wrench. Like, I'm guessing, yeah. Ooh. He is bleeding from the eyes? You know, you rest, my friend. You rest. Are they gonna attack? Fine. Kill him. Oh, good. Oh yeah, we built a laboratory. Research. Okay. Well, you do you. And now you... We have no materials anymore. Where? Oh. We need to go clear that out too. An old sewer main overflowed. That's... Oh, that blows. We found bullets. Okay, actually, this death stack is gonna go over here and kill zombies. Zombie vitals. The heart stopped, but we think the electrical parts are still working. Snaps to the brain continue fire. That makes sense. So your next thing, my good friend, you're gone. Zombie mob spotted. Something moving on in the city, something big, looks like a mob of 60 zombies. Alrighty. Da, 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 da. Yeah, happiness is going back down again, isn't it? Collapse it. Okay. Okay, that's fine though. Because that's what we have this builder guy for. Go, Danny. We need that farm. We need Gustav over here again too. Yeah, humanity. Oh, cool. Okay. So now, well, got no more. We need 4 materials. Okay. Helen, Nikolai, Sam, go cut wood. Oh, good, you're back too. I can talk to Danny too. Opened up to me today. She told me you want to know more about me. Save it for when we aren't running from our lives. Ooh, she should get melee because she uses a sword. Yeah. Oh, she wants to talk again. Alrighty, Danny. Let's see what you need. What's your decorator? Oh, yes. That one. Good job, Danny. You are happy now. Okay. I'm gonna go scout. Dan's gonna scout the bar. Game pop. He's gonna go kill zombies. She's gonna go kill zombies. Actually, it should be Sophie. That way, she can get a bit better at killing zombies. Olivia, what do you want? Someone crash Antique Julie left behind. Food for gold. Yes, here for food for gold we'll give you ruthless. It's hoarder. Oh, that's a good one. But she doesn't scavenge very much. She does this. Thank you, Olivia. Keep gardening. Oh, good for Nikolai. Good for both of them going to church. We don't have any materials. Oh, good. Danny, go chop wood. Oh, it's an infinite thing? Interesting. Yeah. Cool. What are you? Sugar. But what are you? A leader. Her name is Sugar? Nice. Are there zombies now? No. A laboratory. Okay. I think what we want to do, we'll go scout. Oh. Lagging. She'll go scout. Sophie and Sergey are gonna go kill zombies. Okay. What we got? Resources? Alrighty, you guys are going to chop wood. We should go trade with Gustav too. Ah, that's what you should do. We'll wait for him to actually come closer. Yeah. See? Go trade. Okay, so if we get those. Whoa, +3? Break. That's pretty good. And a megaphone. Yeah, and then we can sell that much food. Yeah, okay, so now, Sugar, you get a megaphone. And then you can come. Oh wait, we don't have any rooms. Also, Danny. We should probably do that. You know. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna build a city hall. Also, we're gonna reclaim this silly thing here. You know what? We're gonna pay for the whole fort to go have some food. Watch it. In a white suit to walk backwards to disco music. That's awesome. Well. That would be a crazy thing to watch. But hey. You know what? Yeah, good stuff. Nice. Oh, should have went from there. Also, Sophie wants to talk. Have you ever looked at the sky, like really like seen the constellations spiral through the heavens, the northern lights dance in the sky, felt the cosmos breathe as it stares back to you? Do hand-to-hand combat. Yeah. They're gonna slaughter those zombies. Oh, Sam. What do you want to talk about, Sam? Scientist and oceanographer. He doesn't like... Does not like... Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, do hand-to-hand, though. That's more practical. Danny, you want to talk again? You know what? You can be... Yeah, you can be an artiste. Anyone else want to talk? Can we turn this into something useful? Pop goes the... Oh! Uh-oh. And of course there's another zombie threat. Kill them! And another one. Fine. Sam, go over there. Take that guy. You guys go kill those zombies. We'll kill these ones. Everyone will be happy. Yeah, exactly. Okay, now, you guys should build... Why is everything costing so much now? No. Build an apartment. Go! Yeah! Let's do a constitution. Alrighty. The basic driving force behind our society. Let's repopulate. And let's do the Senate. And people keep their own stuff. And you know what? And the hardest workers. Capital cannibal. Okay, let's do jail. We'll help anyone who needs it. Prime Minister, I guess. Oh, that's cool. I don't want want to leave the city. I just built this city. Fine, adopt the child. What happened over there? Sergey. Hand to hand. Yeah. Okay. Oh, group of courtesans. You know what? Yeah. Stop. Hellhound hussies. Interesting. Very interesting. Alrighty. We're gonna end. We'll kill this horde. Oh no! Not Diane. Okay, yeah, she's over there healing. They can deal with that horde. So many zombies. Okay, wait. Balance, yeah. Okay. So that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys like this big mega episode. And hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll talk with you later. See ya!